Check this out, guys. 142% gain this year. And we're not talking about a crypto bot. We're not talking about a hype platform. We're talking about real trading on a real broker. And you can get access to this for as little as $100. We got to talk about it. What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, we're talking about alpha copy trading. Now, I think you guys are going to love this because I just was absolutely floored when I saw the results and the longevity, right? Now, you know, longevity in this day and time is not what we used to think, but this has been doing a very good job, and I want to show it to you guys so you can make an educated decision for yourself. Now, before I jump right into it, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, get into the game plan to 100 grand group because I already teased this in the group and you would have been the first to know instead of waiting for me to drop the video, right? So if you want to be the first to know, then I want you to go ahead and click the link in the description. And once you get in there, I will see you on the other side. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get right into this thing. We're talking about alpha copy trading here. As you see, we're looking at the MyFX book. The MyFX book is showing you that it's 142% gain. But I'm going to break this down a little bit more, show you a couple of other things that I like about this, right? So let's talk about some things here. Let's go down and look at the monthly performance. Guys, look at this conservative but strong monthly performance. Now, I know we're used to the 30% per month and you want to get the 50% per month. But if you get 50% per month for 2 months and your capital is locked up and you don't get it back, it doesn't mean anything, right? So what if you can have something that is performing very well on a conservative basis? You have access to your funds to be able to withdraw them from the broker. What if you could actually do that, right? This is a platform that will allow you to do this. So let's look at these results for 2023. January, 7.08%. February, 8.55%. March, 9.61%. Then you have April, 6.52%. May, 6.73%. June, 11.63%. July, 4.99%. August, 4.67%. September, 8.23%. You have October, which is 7.68%. November, 12.54%, and December so far, 3.93%. Guys, these are phenomenal conservative returns. I really like this, right? I really like this. And what if you were in this, you would be able to grow your account with this, grow your funds with this, right? So let's talk about why I like this. First of all, they're trading major Forex pairs only, right? What do I mean? They're not trading metals or indices at all. It's major Forex pairs only. I like that, right? It's set to low risk mode. That's why you're not going to see it shoot up to major profits because it's not going to take major risk. It's on a low risk mode. So it's going to be conservative, but what it looks like is consistent profits. Now, here's the thing. You say a lot of people wonder, what about the traders, right? With Alpha Trading, it's a company with 10 trading experts. It's not just one. There's 10 experts in the company who are actually doing the trading. What's good about that? It's not one or two people. I want to tell you, that's what is phenomenal. It's not one or two people. All right? Because a lot of times you get these things and it could be just one or two people out doing it. And I'm not knocking that, but if it's just one or two people, that's more likely that there could be error, like a lot of things like that. But there's 10 expert traders that are trading. They monitor it during all trading hours, which is incredible as well, right? So I really like that. Now, here's some other things I like about it. I like accessibility. I want this to be accessible to the masses when I look at something, not just to me. Yeah, I could go drop a ton of money in an account and make a little bit and it'll work. But what about the average everyday person? Right. So I say, is this accessible to them? And yes, you can start with a minimum of $100 to get into this PAM account. Yes, this is a PAM account that's on LQDFX. I'll talk about that in just a second. So it's $100 minimum to get into the PAM account. Here's the second thing, guys. Their performance fee is not outrageous. There is a 30% split on profits. What do I mean by that? That means if you make $1,000 in a month from the trading, that means that they are going to take 300 and you take the 700. So you do get the lion's share of the profits off of this. Now, all trades are disclosed in real time on the broker. That's a great thing, guys. On LQDFX, you'll be able to see the trades in real time. Now, here's one thing I want to let you guys know about this up front. You cannot withdraw if the drawdown is more than 20%. Okay, that I want to let you guys know that up front. So I want to let you know that. But you do have access to the MyFX book as well. I think this is a great PAM account with a consistent historical performance, right? With a good historical performance. Yes, it's great that if you get the 10, 12, 11, 12% months, but if you're getting a good percentage every month, this could be a good place to park a little bit of your risk capital and watch that grow. Okay, so I have a complete onboarding guide that you can use that's going to allow you to get onboarded not only with the PAM account, but with the broker as well. So if you don't have LQDFX as your broker, then you can actually sign up for LQDFX. I'm gonna have a link in the description. Click on that link. That helps support the channel as well. But you going to use LQDFX, the link. Sign up for LQDFX. It's a whole guide to show you exactly how to do that, right? So you'll be able to do that, and then it shows you how to get into the actual PAM account, how to go ahead and fund it. You can fund it with crypto. You can fund it with credit card as well. It's a reputable. I like LQDFX. I never had any problems with them. I've worked with them a little while. Their customer service has been great for me, right? So I like LQDFX. We could go to LQDFX here. I'm on my screen right now. So this is LQDFX. Very, very, very user friendly platform here. So if you want to use LQDFX, well, for this you have to use LQDFX. I want to say for this you have to use LQDFX. It's the one I think is the best one to use for the minimum entry fee, and it's just the simplicity of and the ease of use. I like this, right? So now if you want, there's another one, right? So there's another broker that I'm looking at right now. I'm going to put out some information that this is on as well, but this is the copy trading. It's not a PAM account, okay? It's the copy trading, and the minimum entry on that one is $5,000 to $10,000. Okay, so you do have to put in $5,000 to $10,000 to do that. With this one, it's with the PAM account, $100 you can get started with. It's very sweet, very easy. So if you want to do that, that's powerful, guys. So if you want to check this one out, look in the description. I got the link for you to get started with LQDFX if you don't have an account with them, right? It's very simple. I have the onboarding guide in there. I have the link to the MyFX book in there, so you can check that out for yourself as well. And you can go ahead and get started with this one today if you got $100 of risk capital that you can put into it, right? So I wanted to bring this to you guys so you guys would see exactly what I was talking about. But if you're looking forward to 2024, a different strategy, not just throwing your money into a crypto platform, hoping and praying that it'll be around for the next 6 weeks. If you want to put something in that has a historical performance, this may be the thing for you. Okay. All right, guys. So look, stay tuned. I'm bringing some more heat to you guys every single day. We're switching up the way we play, but it's going to be absolutely phenomenal. Okay. As usual, you know what we're going to do. We're going to invest wisely. We're going to invest well. We will only invest what we're willing to lose. But we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day. And I am out. Peace.